IKEA Parkla, best tool to keep your room organized. Have you ever had a headache when you see your kid's room is so messed up, just like a garbage dump? Or you have too much stuff inside your room and you don't know where to keep it? Actually, we had a similar problem at our home, but it changed when we used IKEA Parkla. This is another innovation from IKEA that helps us to keep our home clean from mess-up stuff and toys. In short, this product basically is clothes and show organizers, but it's more than just that. The design. One word that can describe IKEA Parkla is practical. First of all, the size is enough to keep many things from shoes, clothes to toys. It's 55 by 49 by 19 centimeters. More than that, the design is also beautiful. The colored zipper and handle make you easily find the part where you can open it to put your stuff inside. Then with the special handle design, you can also carry it around without any problem. The features. IKEA Parkla uses fabric webbing material, 100% polypropylene and 100% polyester. This is what we like about this product. With the fabric-type material, you can fold it if you don't use it. It will save more space in your room. Just place it inside your cabinet and it's done. The material also makes it perfect to store anything inside. It won't damage your clothes or other items you keep inside. Moreover, the design of this product also allows you to close it tightly. Therefore, it will protect any items you keep inside from the effect of the weather and temperature outside the organizer. This product can also protect your item inside from mold. It protects your items from moisture. Of course, with a tight enclosure like this, you also don't need to worry about the dirt. If you put the clean clothes inside, you can keep it clean. Just take it out from IKEA Parkla and you can wear it just like that. Things to remember. This is a really useful product. However, you need to care and use it carefully. Here are the care instructions you need to know. Do not wash. Do not bleach. Do not tumble dry. Do not iron. Do not dry clean. Just remember, although we said that this product is very strong and durable, it is made out of fabric material. Therefore, you need to make sure you follow the care instructions above if you plan to use it for a longer time. That will protect it from damage. Conclusion. The design is really satisfying. It's not only beautiful, however, it is very useful and easy to use. The features and material also make this product become the best choice if you're looking for an item organizer. And best of all, you can get this product at just $2.99. This is quite an affordable price for a practical item organizer you can use at your home. Just visit the store and get IKEA Parkla now.